Servus friends! Many times we all had a good time at Paulaner Bräuhaus Singapore. Now it's time for the Bräuhaus itself to have a good time. Its major makeover is well underway, after which our beloved venue will shine in a new light, offering the vibrant experience we all love in a fresh, transformed and welcoming look. A new oasis smack in the city. When I look back at our journey, it often feels like a fairy tale. So let me please give you a glimpse of the changes to come by paraphrasing the famous Red Riding Hood lines with a touch of Snow White blended in. You haven't lost a child in you, have you? Imagine. Bräuhaus, what a big bright entrance you have. All the better to welcome you with, dear guest. Bräuhaus, what big beautiful beer garden you have. All the better to accommodate you with, dear guest. Bräuhaus, what an impressive brewery you have. All the better to quench your thirst with, dear guest. Bräuhaus, what a fab restaurant you have. All the better to feed you at, dear guest. Bräuhaus, what a shiny, engaging space you have. All the better to entertain you with, dear guest. But please, don't quite ask magic mirror on the wall who is the coolest one of all. Our magic is not in the mirrors, and once you see the new place, you may be able to answer yourself. Continuing with fairy tales, many of them feature a party. Actually, reassuring too. Our Bräuhaus waving goodbye to the old and saying hello to the new one. First, don't miss the closing party at the end of May with our DJ Fabian, whipping up a fantastic mix, very special beer prizes and vibes to match. Join us and be part of this epic send-off. Then, end of July, we'll welcome you to our new home with a grand reopening party, a 2-day event featuring our star band Joe Seine Schürzenjäger. This way, you will get a taste of the 5th season at our unique venue, the unique, authentic Oktoberfest experience in Singapore. If you didn't know, 2 fun facts. The original Oktoberfest was effectively a party that the King Ludwig II of Bavaria threw for the whole city to celebrate his wedding. The king was also called a fairy tale king. We love fun, we love fairy tales, we love parties. We can Oktoberfest like no other. But I'm digressing. Throughout June, we'll stay away from fairy tales, but rather keep telling stories to take you on our exciting journey and share a sneak peek of what's to come. With every good story, we're also keeping a few surprises for the grand finale. Stay tuned and witness future meeting tradition at the Paulaner Bräuhaus Singapore. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Prost to the future.